Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We'll be looking at the top 5 best products that you can buy this year. Through extensive research and testing, we put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether the price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product price, we've included links in the description box down below. So, let's begin.
If you are looking for best dent pullers, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. GLISTON Paintless Dent Puller. The GLISTON 45 PC's PDR kit is quite affordable. With this kit, you also get lots of tabs that include 5 for the dent bridge kit and 16 for the dent lifter. Because the tabs come in various sizes, this kit will also be perfect for wide applications. Using this paintless dent puller is also straightforward and anyone can lift out dents effortlessly. If you are dealing with more problematic dents and dings, the nice glue gun and extra sticky glue will be very useful. The glue gun is a little on the smaller size. Number 2. YOHE Paintless Dent Repair Puller Kit. This YOHE dent puller will be a perfect choice as it is completely eco-friendly. It includes a bridge dent puller, 5-piece glue tabs, and a hot melt glue gun. Hence, you will not need to buy anything else to use it as it has everything you need. And this is also a quick and easy to use dent puller that should only take a few minutes to repair dents. Although the crossbars on the dent puller look like they are made from thinner gauge plastic, they are still quite tough and durable. Number 3. Mainlord Auto Body Dent Repair Tool. The Mainlord 2,699,023,120. Better yet, it will also save you unnecessary trips to the auto body repair shop. The dent puller is also well built and with an ergonomic design that will make it easy for the user to get the perfect grip. And because the paintless T-bar dent puller is made from a high-quality stainless steel material, it will offer long-lasting service. The dent puller will have soft and high-quality rubber in all parts. His dent puller will be useful for various other applications besides dent pulling, such as removing dents from other metal. Number 4. Arrisd Auto Paintless Dent Repair Kits. The perfectly designed Arrisd 2,699,023,172 will be perfect for working on almost any dent size. Better yet, the bottom also includes a soft silicone material. Versatility is also guaranteed with this dent puller as it will come with 16 different tab sizes and shapes, which are designed to work on different kinds of dents. This dent puller will also be effective on motorcycles. Users will love about this dent puller is that it has been made from high-quality material. These materials include a stainless steel frame and it is super easy to take apart for storage and transpiration. Number 5. YOHE Car Paintless Dent Removal Tools Kit. This YOHE dent puller will be a perfect choice as it is completely eco-friendly, given that you will not need to use any chemicals. And it will be very useful. It includes a bridge dent puller, 5-piece glue tabs, and a hot melt glue gun. It has everything you need. And this is also a quick and easy to use dent puller that should only take a few minutes to repair dents. Although the crossbars on the dent puller look like they are made from thinner gauge plastic, they are still quite tough and durable.
Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos.